Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing well. Okay, you're doing wonderful. And this is your love reading from your partner. What your partner is thinking, what your soulmate is thinking. I can say I'm correcting myself. What is your soulmate thinking? And I'm going to do your soulmate reading in this video. So let's see what your soulmate is thinking right now about you. What are the messages from your soulmate? What is he or she going through? I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can leave it out. Okay, Aquarius, because it will not resonate with each of you. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to my video and my channel so that you can get most of the videos and important messages which are there for you, which will help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from their soulmate. Temperance. They are keeping patience. They are keeping patience, Aquarius. Your soulmate is keeping patience. Okay. Seven of Swords. Yeah, there were some deceptive things in life, in their life. They are also in a hermit mode. See, soulmate is also something that this reading will be the same to your main reading too. So you are also turning into hermit mode, and your partner, your soulmate, is also moving into hermit mode. Sorry, the Hierophant. So they are going to turn, they want to give you commitment, maybe they want to give you commitment, but there is some deception. Hangman, they're feeling like a hangman. Let me see what else. Eight of Cups, Ace of Swords. Your soulmate is moving towards their wish fulfillment to achieve Nine of Cups. Okay, Nine of Wands. Maybe they are very defensive right now. They want the clarity in their life. Knight of Swords. They want to rush towards you. They want to rush. But right now they are taking a step back. They are feeling like a hangman. They are moving away from this Eight of Cups energy and moving towards Nine of Cups. Chariot, yes. Chariot. They know what is right and wrong. They know. Ace of Wands, clarity. Ace of Wands is bottom of the deck. They want communication. They know what to communicate with you. They are the Chariot. They know the difference between black and white. They know all the answers basically. They are a step ahead of you maybe. But they were also dealing with some deceptive things, deceptive people. Yeah, see, that's what I was telling you. Some of you are dealing with air sign, King of Swords, and they are ready to cut. They are also ready to cut this heartbreaks. Maybe they were also in a relationship in which the third party was involved. Their heart is also broken. Can you see? Three of Swords is there. Now they don't want to indulge in it. Page of Cup is there. They're thinking to give this cup. Knight of Pentacles, yeah. They're moving away. They're moving towards to achieve the Pentacles. They are learning their lessons and moving ahead actually. They are releasing their burdens and they are moving ahead. They are moving ahead, Aquarius. They're moving from this past trauma, these heartbreaks, because there were some deceptions in their life too. Yeah, see? Ten of Pentacles. They want this happy family, abundant family and everything. They are also looking for you. The soulmate is searching you. Six of Pentacles, yeah, bottom of the deck. They want equal give amount of give and take. They want to offer you give and take. But maybe some of you are very defensive. If you have not met yet, if you have already met your soulmate, then it's very fine, but soon you are going to meet it. They are already on your soul, on their soul journey, Aquarius. They were keeping up patience because there were some deceptive things in their life too, Seven of Swords. And after that they were feeling like a hangman. They were not knowing that what to do with their life or with the situation, because they want their wish fulfillment. So that's why they are moving ahead to achieve their Nine of Cups. They are moving ahead to gain the clarity, Ace of Swords. Right now maybe they are very defensive, guarded with this Nine of Wands, but they are want to rush towards you because they know what is right and what is wrong, Aquarius. With this Chariot energy, what is black, what is white, they know the answer, and they know the truth too. They the King of Swords is there, so he knows. They're very intuitive. Can you see this man who is ready to cut all any bullshit things happening in their life, or people toxic thing, they're ready to cut them off. Maybe in the past there were some third party situation in their life, their heart was broken, so they are overcoming from that situation and moving ahead. They are looking, can you see, they are searching their heart, their soul. 1 minute, can I see? This man is thinking their heart, they're thinking to where is their half part. They want you, they want their soulmate, they are thinking where is it. So that's why they are walking away, they're releasing the burdens from them. Knight of Pentacles, they are moving at a slow place, Aquarius. Don't worry about it, they are moving at a slow place, but they are releasing it. And this is very, maybe this is a slow energy, but this is very loyal energy, Aquarius. Knight of Pentacles, this person is very loyal. This Knight of Pentacle is very loyal, and this person can be an air sign, okay? This person can be an air sign because there is a King of Swords over here, okay? Because they are moving towards you, because they want to achieve this Ten of Pentacles, Aquarius. They want this equal amount of give and take. They want this happy, abundant family situation in their life. That's why they are moving ahead to achieve it. Equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles, they want to give you. There will be a balance in your situation because this is your soulmate reading, Aquarius. So yeah, they will be. See, right now they are very Seven of Wands, they're very defensive. They are not accepting any invitations. They are not accepting any proposals. They are guarding themselves because they want their Nine of Cups. They want their wish fulfillment. See, Two of Cups. Beautiful reading, Aquarius, for your soulmate reading. It's very beautiful. They want this. So Two of Cups. Equal. Two of Cups is soulmate. Again, soulmate thing. They want this Two of Cups to be achieved. Right now, they are right. See, Nine of Pentacles, they are single and abundant in their own way. They are very happy, cheering, full of energy. Ace of Wands, they want this clarity, communication with you. They are right now as the Emperor too. They're behaving like an emperor. Maybe this person is very full of passion. See, King of Wands. Yeah, so yeah, beautiful, 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 Aquarius. This was your soulmate reading. This was your soulmate, what he or she is thinking. So yeah, you both are on the same path, I can say, Aquarius. You both want to achieve this Ten of Pentacles. They are moving at a slow pace. They are moving slow towards you, but they are moving. They want to give you offer. They want to give you something, which is, they are loyal ones. Knight of Pentacles is the slowest energy moving towards you, but they are also, you know, can you see, they are releasing it, that releasing the burdens, whatever burdens they were carrying. And this King of Swords, they know the truth. That's why they cut all those third party situation from their life. They don't want to be in a third party situation anymore. Maybe they were dealing with some situations or relationships in which they were the third party. That's why they're cutting the people and relationships which were the third party. Okay, so yeah, these are the messages from your soulmate. Okay, Aquarius, what are their situations, what are they thinking? So these were the reading for your soulmate, what is they are going through. Let me see what are the messages from your soulmate to you. Okay, let me see what are the messages they want to tell you. If they were going to meet you, they want to tell you. Let me see what are the messages your soulmate wants to tell you. Let's see. Let me adjust my cards. These are the messages which your soulmate wants to tell you. Okay, Aquarius? So let's see what are the messages your soulmate wants to tell you. What are the messages? Okay, that was fast. You always give me a shoulder to cry on. You always give me a shoulder to give. Always give me a shoulder to cry on. Is the first message they want to tell you. You love me for what I am. This is the second message they want to tell you. You appreciate me. They want to tell you that you appreciate them. You look deep into my eyes. That's what they feel for you, Aquarius. They think that you look deep into their eyes. What are the messages? You and me deal with every situation well. Yeah, they know your worth. And they know that you also know their worth. That's what they know. And that's what they want to tell you. That you both deal with every situation very well. You respect my decisions. That's what they want to tell you. It's not clear, I guess. Yeah, it's okay. You respect my decisions. They want to tell you that. Any other message? Oh my God. You are my soulmate. They want to tell you that you are the soulmate for them. They know that you are the soulmate. They want to tell you this. Okay. You are dedicated in our relationship. They want to tell you that you are dedicated in their relationship. You are very cute and adorable. Aquarius, your soulmate find you very cute and adorable. Okay? Any other message from soulmate to my Aquarius? You are wise and witty. You know what, yesterday also I was doing this and the messages were almost same. Okay, day before yesterday, okay, I was doing the reading for the soulmate reading and the messages were almost same. And you are funny. You are funny. They find you funny. They find you wise and witty. They want to tell you this. They want to tell you that yes, you are their soulmate. You hold me tight. They find that you hold them tight. You accept and respect my limitations. They are very happy to, they know your worth, Aquarius. They know that. They are in love with you. You make me complete. Wow. They want to tell you that you make them complete. Wow. It's very beautiful, loving energy, Aquarius. You are always there when I need you. They want to tell you that you were always available to them. Whenever they need you, you were there. You know me better than anyone else. That's what they want to tell you, that you know them better than anyone else can know. That's what your soulmate wants to tell you. Okay. You make me a positive person. Wow, beautiful energy, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, you sound sexy over the phone. Okay, so yeah, these were the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius from the soulmate. And beautiful messages, Aquarius. Your soulmate wants to tell you so many things actually, and these messages are very beautiful. They want to tell you that you are their soulmate. They want to tell you that you make them complete. You make them a positive person. You are always there when they need you. You know better than anyone else can know them. So yeah, these were the messages. You appreciate them. That's what they want to tell you. And you love them what are they are. Okay, so these were the messages from your soulmate, Aquarius. I hope it will help you out to know that what your soulmate is thinking about you. And the last, I'm going to add some charms to your reading, to your soulmate reading. Let's see what are the charms. Okay, so there is a fish for you, Aquarius. Good news is coming towards you. Fish is for good news. Source, Sagittarius and Gemini is there. Some of you are dealing with Gemini or Sagittarius. Okay, so Gemini and Sagittarius is there. Leaf is there, Aquarius, and Star is there for you. New hopes, new desire is coming towards you. This is an anchor for me. Something solid is coming towards you. A flower is there. Beautiful charm for you. A leaf is there. So yeah, let me check one more time. I need to add more charms for you. Wow, see, a key is there. You will find the solution. You have a key. You have a solutions to your problems. Some of you are dealing with Pisces. Okay, and there is a, see, there is a pair for this. That's what I was feeling incomplete. There was something which I found it. Okay, elephant is there, giving you strength. Strength is there. Leaves is there in pair. Okay, and fish, one more fish has come. So yeah, now it's in two. Okay, so yeah, these were your charms. I hope it resonates with you. This was your soulmate reading, Aquarius. So let me know in the comment section, okay, if it resonates with you, if it helped you out in some manner. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section anything you want to know, anything you want to tell me, any suggestions, anything you want to say. If you want to talk to me, you can have written in the comment section. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye, and see you soon, Aquarius.